Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jelani Johnson and this is Jelani Health. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys an easy morning ab work routine that I like to do. And yeah, it burns fat and it's a great start to your day. And also, I'll be showing you my morning protein shake. I like to switch it up quite often, so it's not like I use the same one every day. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. About to make the protein shake, and today's ingredients will include strawberries, whole walnuts, unsweetened coconut milk, sunwarrior plant-based protein. I like to use plant-based protein. There's many health benefits of using dairy-based and plant-based protein, but yeah, I like the way that plant-based makes me feel. I feel like more energized when I use plant-based versus dairy-based proteins. Alright guys, so the protein shake is done, and I'm gonna drink this and then wait 15 minutes before I get into my workout. Turned out nice. It had a little thicker consistency than I normally like. I should have put more milk. But yeah, drink this, and then 15 minutes later, we get into the workout. Alright, so the 15 minutes are over. About to begin today's workout. Today's workout will include four sets of 4 different ab exercises: flutter kicks, crunch kicks, leg raises, and alternating toe touches. We'll have 3 sets of that, and then we'll have a finisher, which will be our 4th set, and it'll be a 1-minute plank, a 1-minute back plank, and toe touches with a 5-second hold in between. And I'll show y'all how to do that. All right, so we're gonna start by doing 20 crunch kicks. All right, wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do 40 flutter kicks. All right, wait 5 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we'll do 10 leg raises. Wait 5 seconds again. And now we're gonna do 20 alternating toe touches. All right, so you will repeat that 2 more times and then do the finisher, which I'll show you right now. For the finisher, which is our 4th set, we will start by doing toe touches with a 5-second hold in between. Just do 5 of those and wait 5 seconds. Now we'll do a 30-second back plank. And now we'll do a 1-minute plank. All right, so we finished our workout, and just a short little recap. We did flutter kicks, crunch kicks, leg raises, and alternating toe touches. We did that 3 times, 3 different sets. And then as our finisher, we did a 30-second back plank, a 1-minute plank, and toe touches with a 5-second hold in between. And yeah, it's just a great morning workout to start off your day and to really burn belly fat. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, help support the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you again soon.